We are REDT. We provide the best solutions for your engraving, cutting, and laser marking needs. Today, we're going to craft a brass tube ringer using the versatile MAGIC-E4, a multi-purpose flatbed CNC engraving machine. First, switch out the clamp on your MAGIC-E4 for a cutting clamp. Then position both the bakelite and brass plates on top. Launch the MagicEngrave software and embark on designing your cutting template. Adjust your design to ensure it's the perfect fit for your cutting needs. Next, let's switch our design to black and white to enhance the clarity of our drawing's outlines. We'll utilize the Outline Toolpath feature to delineate the area we're looking to cut from our material. Make sure the settings to best match your project requirements. With everything in place, go ahead and generate your toolpath, then forward it to the MAGIC-E4. Before we get cutting, do a quick check of the work area with the laser pointer. To kick off the cutting process, simply hold down the Start button for a couple of seconds. Through the steps we've just done through, we've successfully cut brass with the MAGIC-E4. Now it's time to bring our bear to life by laser marking its eyes, nose, mouth, and ears using the fiber laser marking machine, MAGIC-L2. And there you have it, a brass tube ringer brought to fruition using the multifaceted flatbed CNC machine, MAGIC-E4. Metal engraving, cutting? The multi-purpose flatbed CNC machine MAGIC-E4. Visit www.redtinc.com for more information. To receive updates on our products, follow us on Instagram, MagicEngraver, and Facebook Magic, Jewelry Engraver. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, REDT Incorporated.